Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, and this is Sitecore Interview Question video series. Today's question is: how is HTML caching configured at the rendering level in Sitecore? So HTML cache is basically apply on the component level. So whenever you will open a component, you will see few configurations like this in the caching section. Okay, so there are different options provided for each rendering. So whenever you will add a rendering at the rendering level, you will have these many options. So let's see one by one what are these options. The first checkbox which is available is the cacheable. So it can be defined in site definition file across the website or at a rendering level. So cacheable can be defined at this site definition also. So if you apply that at the site definition, it will be across the website. But at the same time, it can be done at the rendering level also. So if you have the say hero banner component which you want to cache, then you can select this cacheable checkbox, and these all are the shared fields, so it will be done for all the languages. Then this specifies it Sitecore caches the rendering or not. The next one is a clear on index update. So when should be the HTML cache should get clear? Okay, so if you are having the index update, then whether it should get cache should get clear. So that configuration is done by this checkbox. It clears the cache when it updates the content search index. Next is the vary by data. So whether you want to vary your caches depending on the data, so that time you can select this vary by data. So if the data is changed, then your cache will change. Okay, so Sitecore caches output based on the item access. So again, talk more about caches, like you have one page, okay, and you are using the so you have two pages and you're using the same component and both the pages. Okay, and if you are selected vary by data and your data is changing on both the pages, then it will get cached depending on the data. Okay, but if you are not selected it, then one cache is used in the second page. Vary by device. Sitecore caches output for each device separately. It's straightforward that if you are using the multiple devices, you have a like mobile, desktop, then you will have the different caches but based on the devices. Vary by login. Two copies of the output, authenticated users and unauthenticated users. So basically the cache will be defined. We will have two copies. For the authenticated user, the logged in user, you will have a different cache. The non-logged in user will have a different cache. Vary by parameters. Sitecore caches output for each parameter the rendering aspect. So depending on the parameter, it will caches the output. Vary by query string. Sitecore caches output for each unique combination of query string parameters. So depending on the query parameter, if you want to change the cache, then you have to select this checkbox. Vary by user. Sitecore caches output for each authenticated user. So depending on the authenticated user, if you want to change the cache, then you can select this. Now how to clear a cache? That behavior you can define by this drop down, defines how cache should be cleared. So this is how HTML cache should be configured at the rendering level. Okay. If you want to know more details of this topic, then please check out video link displayed on the screen. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell for latest update. Thank you for watching.